Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow. Look at the size of that guy. So this was a pretty exciting catch. I came up this morning and I noticed that this molehill had been cracked open, and I thought that since the rain, and I thought that he had maybe been working. And so I stood there for a while, and all at once I saw the mole run start to move, and I waited and I waited and I waited, and I saw that there was one run coming off to the left of the molehill, but it came to a dead stop. So I left for maybe about a half an hour after he quit moving in the molehill. I came back, and sure enough, he ventured back out of the molehill, and here he is. This mo got to go. How about that? God bless you all from the Mo Eliminator.